Hello and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Commodity Watch. In today's video, we're going to be analyzing the gold and the crude oil price charts. Just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of our Black Friday sale. Of course, today it's Black Friday and we are offering a 50% discount on our streaming service. That's right, not 10, not 20, not 30, 50%. And that's both on our yearly subscription plan and our monthly. So if you subscribe to our streaming service for 1 month, that's only $9.99. And for a whole year, we're only charging $104. So to use this discount code, I'm going to post it in the comment section below this video. The code is Black Friday in caps 50, so Black Friday 50, and you can apply that to our streaming service website. I'm going to leave a clip at the end of this video explaining how to subscribe to that service, and there'll be like a little section where it says discount code, and you can just apply that Black Fridays in caps with 50. And also, just before we start today's video, I just want to say I hope that everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving yesterday. Markets were closed, obviously, so I hope you had a wonderful day spent with your families and loved ones. But the markets are back open today for half a day. So short on hours, but volatility has returned to the markets, especially in gold and the crude oil markets. And today I'm just going to quickly explain my thought process with regards to the movements that we have seen and my plan of action going forward. So let's start here with the gold markets. Now, gold markets has had a horrendous week this week. We all know that. We've fallen from those swing highs all the way up at 1877. We broke back into this horrific downtrend we've been trading in since August 2020, where we peaked at a brand new all-time high for gold up at $2,067. And this week we have fallen roughly at its lows 5%. So really horrible week for the gold markets. If I zoom out, as you can see, we have broken back into this downtrend, meaning that this whole move, this whole break was just a false breakout towards the upside. To top that off, we've broken below the 50-day EMA. We've now broken below the 200-day EMA, which is extremely bearish because this, to me, indicates a move down towards 1770. Now, this morning, if you're waking up wherever you are in the world, you're probably seeing on the news that there is this new South African variant. It looks as though it poses a higher risk than the Delta variant, and this is really not good for countries because it basically rises the risk of a new lockdown. I'm not saying that countries are going to lock down again, but the risks do get a little bit high. Let's say this variant is one of the worst variants there's ever been and it's so infectious, etc. Then countries will be given no choice but to lock down or to tighten restrictions. And of course, this is good for gold because it could lead to the Fed putting off hiking those interest rates. It could mean that the Fed has to then go out and print more money to support workers who can't go to work, with the furlough scheme or business grants, you name it. So gold has had some joy from this news this morning. We're up roughly 1%, half a percent, up at around 0.5%, and we're now testing that 200-day EMA, which is pretty much at that 1800 level. So that's obviously a key area because it's a large psychological figure, but this also could just be us breaking below a key area of support, the 50 and 200-day EMA, and now we're going to go and back test it, and it could give us that bounce that we need down towards 1770. So I will continue to monitor the gold markets as we go into the end of the week, but at this moment in time, gold is still looking very, very bearish, and I wouldn't be buying it here. It's still got a lot of work cut out if it was to turn bullish again. In fact, I wouldn't even be interested in buying gold unless we broke above those swing highs up at 1877. But that is it for gold. I do actually have a trade open at this moment in time over on the streaming service. So as I mentioned, take advantage of that 50% discount and sign up and watch that clip towards the end of today's video and learn how to join that service. Moving over to the crude oil markets. Now, crude oil have been absolutely hammered during today's trading session, understandably, because of, again, the news of this new COVID South African variant. Again, it poses a risk that we could potentially lock down again, or certain countries could, and that of course would weaken the demand for crude oil, and that is very horrible. Just as Joe Biden has announced that they will be tapping into that oil, the US oil, to try and combat the rising energy prices. So of course this is seen as very bad news for the crude oil markets. We've been rejected from that 50-day EMA, and we're now testing this 0.61% fib level. Hopefully this level holds. If not, we have the swing lows. If we break these swing lows, I'm just going to go and put a line here. If we break below the $74.73 barrel area, I think that triggers a move straight down to that 0.5% fib level at $73 a barrel. But I am hopeful that oil can turn itself around here. Many analysts on Wall Street anticipate $100 oil coming very, very soon. So this could just be a little speed bump along the way, but hopefully this 0.61% fib level holds. Again, I do have a current position in crude oil if you would like to understand and see my exit plan, then you can head over to that streaming service. But that's just a little brief summary as we go into the end of this trading week with regards to gold and crude oil. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have two subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos, as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.